Hello, everyone. This is Paul Harvey from TradeAlgo, where we harness the power of advanced computing and elite artificial intelligence to bring you an edge in the stock market. Our focus is dark pools, the hidden trading arenas of big banks, institutions, and hedge funds. These are places where significant trades happen away from public eyes, often leaving retail traders scrambling, but not anymore. Here at TradeAlgo, we are all about leveling the playing field. Our cutting-edge AI sifts through massive amounts of data in real time, monitoring the large, medium, and small cap stocks of the stock market in both the trending up and trending down sides of the equation. Let's go ahead and dive right into TradeAlgo's top picks of the day. So popping up on top of both ends of the equation, the trending up and trending down side of the dashboard, we would have been able to stick with the two top stocks in each category. So the first one we're going to see here is TEVA. TEVA popping up with over 380% institutional trending up volume. Now, when a stock this large, a $15 billion stock, goes up 8% in a single day, you know that pressure is coming from banks, institutions, and hedge funds through alternative trading systems that retail investors cannot access. So going and seeing exactly what time we went and recognized TEVA, we see TEVA pop up here in the pre-market at 8:37 a.m., with over 2,797% institutional trending up volume. Now, following along with these transactions and following along since 8:37 a.m., there's no mystery why a stock this large is going to have such a parabolic rise on the day. Going and seeing that today, TEVA had $258 million in institutional trending up volume, and on a 7-day average, they're only doing about $64 million. So following along with this transaction compared to what they're doing on a 7-day average, you can see that TEVA is getting ready to have some explosive growth. And we can see here the in-the-money option contracts doing phenomenal today. Going and following along with the $15 call option would have yielded you a potential 481%. But just following along with TradeAlgo since 9:30 in the morning, going and catching this in total, making a 166% return is still phenomenal. Utilizing the next generation of artificial intelligence to give you an edge in the market, and even spend a very short amount of time trading to grab a quick 55% return. That's what it's all about. So going right back to the dashboard and hopping right back to the dashboard and going to the trending downside of the equation, we are going to see AFRM pop up on top of the trending downside. Now, when institutions, banks, and hedge funds sell or short stocks through alternative trading systems, that's going to affect the market. Now, when a stock this large has a 458% increase in institutional selling pressure and the stock itself drops 10% as a result, you know that you can attribute that kind of movement to banks, institutions, and hedge funds. Going and following along with AFRM as soon as TradeAlgo sees it, and following along when our next generation of artificial intelligence is going to pick up on AFRM and put it on our dashboard for our clients, we'll see here as early as 9:51 in the morning, just 21 minutes after the market opens, with over 7 times the amount of institutional volume on the trending downside of the market that AFRM, Affirm Holdings, is usually going to get. Now, following along with these opportunities, following along with the banks, institutions, and hedge funds, when you see over $409 million in institutional trending down transactions picked up by TradeAlgo's next generation artificial intelligence, then you go and look at a 7-day average and see they're only doing about $84 million. So following along with this, literally copying and pasting the two top stocks from TradeAlgo's dashboard would have yielded you even a potential 285% return. Or going right here to the $33 options with great open interest and following along with TradeAlgo today. So going and utilizing this information and utilizing the next generation of technology available to retail traders, going and grabbing a quick 500% potentially on the day, but we're not in the market to go and try to make a 500% return. What we're looking for is consistency. So even utilizing this technology on a consistent level to make a quick 148% return, that is still phenomenal. Thank you guys very much. Stop getting your information too slow. Start utilizing the same systems that banks and institutions use to get an edge in the market. Have a great one.